AI is not a future threat. It is already changing how companies hire and
Laid
fire.
off around
Now look at
12,000
this.
employees in India, with more job cuts expected in the coming weeks.
Estimates suggest 20,000 to 30,000 jobs could be cut globally. At the same time, the company is investing heavily in AI infrastructure. Same company, same moment, more AI, fewer people. In this video, you will learn 5 skills AI cannot replace. Skills that protect your career as this shift accelerates. Most people think AI replaces low-skill work. That is incorrect. AI replaces predictable work. If your work follows patterns, AI learns it fast. So stop asking, will AI replace me? Start asking, is my work predictable? Let's start with the first skill, judgment. AI gives answers, thousands of them, but it does not understand consequences. It does not make decisions under pressure. When things go wrong, someone has to decide what to do next. That someone is you. Second, emotional intelligence. AI detects signals. It does not understand people. It cannot build trust. It cannot manage conflict. It cannot handle real conversations. Workplaces run on people, not just data. That keeps you valuable. Third, creativity. AI follows patterns. You break them. AI repeats what already exists. You create what does not exist. New ideas, new strategies, new solutions. That is how industries move forward. Fourth, problem framing. AI solves problems you give it. If the problem is wrong, the answer is useless. You decide what matters, what to solve, what to ignore. That is high-value thinking. Fifth, accountability. AI generates output. It does not own results. It does not take responsibility. It does not handle failure. Businesses still depend on people who do. Here's the reality. Companies are restructuring right now. Smaller teams, higher output, more automation. Budgets are shifting from employees to AI systems. This is already happening. So what should you do? Stop learning randomly. Stop chasing tools. Focus on capability, decision-making, problem-solving, communication. With uCertify, you build real skills. You work on real scenarios. You make decisions. You solve problems with context, not just theory, not just tools. AI can generate answers. It cannot take responsibility. It cannot build trust. It cannot lead when things break. You can. So stop asking, will AI replace me? Start asking, am I building skills AI cannot replace? Because the shift has already started. Are you ready or already behind?